Welcome back, kindergartners. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. Today we're going to go over our calendar. We're going to spin for a toad or a frog. We'll do our days in school. And then we're going to come back and talk about our posters just a little bit more and do some fun activities with it. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. Days of the week. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday. That's the day we're on. What are you guys expecting to see today? I think so too. I think it's the ruler today. Okay, let's look. You guys were right. It's a ruler measuring a feather. And the feather is about 7 inches long. Okay, let's see if I can come up right here on top. Okay. And while I'm doing this, which poster am I going to be putting the ruler up on? Good. I heard a bunch of you guys say the first one. Okay, so this is length, and all of our rulers are here so far. And it's a ruler again, and it's a ruler, not a yardstick, because it stops at 12. A yardstick has 36 inches on it. And we are measuring a leaf. Oh, no, excuse me, it's a feather. Okay, let's come back and say the date. Today's date is Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. Let's say that one more time. Today's date is Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. Okay, we're done with that. Let's come and spin for a toad or a frog. A toad today. Woohoo! Okay. And so we had 1 frog, 1 toad equals 2. Okay. And we're going to fill in a line here. We've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Let's move on to how many days we've been in school. Yesterday, we were here 144 days. Whew. How many is it going to be today? Oh, good. I like that you guys were looking at the 10 frame, and you could tell we need 1 more dot to make 5. So today we've been in school 145 days. We've got 4 links. I've got my 5th one here, and I get to erase and make a 5. And what's the last thing I have to do that I always forget to do? Nice. I heard all you guys remind me. Move the ring, Mrs. Judd. Good job, everybody. Thank you. Okay, I think we've done all of our wall today. So now let's go back and talk about one of our posters. And the poster we're going to talk about today is length. And we've been learning all kinds of measuring tools, but today it's the ruler that we're going to look a little bit more at. And we have 2 things to measure today. I'll leave that there. So we're going to be measuring pipe cleaners. Are these the same object? Yes, they're both pipe cleaners. Good job, you guys. Are they the same length? That one's a tricky one, because if we put them together on top, do they end at the same spot? No, so they are not the same length. They're the same item, but not the same length. Why do we need to know? Oh, good, I heard a lot of people. One of the reasons we need to know how long something is because if we have a project and it calls for 12-inch pipe cleaner, which one is 12 inches? Which one is going to be the right one for my project? Well, let's come and use the ruler and see how long these are. And on a ruler, we have 2 ways to measure things. This one where the numbers are a little bit further apart, it's called inches. This side where it's really, really close together, this is centimeters. But for our purposes, we're going to use inches. So let's put one pipe cleaner down, and we have to start it where the line starts. Hey, look at this one. This one is 12 inches, so that one would work for our project. Let's look at this one. Oh, no, see, this one would not work for our project. It is not 12 inches. It's about 7 3/4 inches. It's not quite at the 8, so I can't say it's 8 inches, but it's just less than 7. So that is one of the reasons why we measure things, so that we get the right amount for our project. Okay, you guys, we are done today. Let's go back to our questions. What was on today's marker? And today's marker was a ruler. And what tool did we use today? A ruler. How pretty funny is that? Those are your two answers, ruler and ruler. Okay, you guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.